How to add or remove vehicle motion cues to accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on Vehicle Motion Cues. Tap on the item to select or deselect it. When you select Vehicle Motion Cues, it will be added to the shortcut menu. So here, if you triple click on the side button, it will be added to the accessibility shortcuts menu. And here I can turn on vehicle motion cues. Or I can just quickly open up the shortcut menu and switch it off. And that's it. To remove it from the menu, you can deselect the item, and that will remove it away from the accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.